exactly how I would do it. I would flip this over in front of the customer. All right, here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at that garbage disposal together. I'm gonna ask you some questions while we're there. All right, now, at the same time, we're gonna need to do a thorough evaluation of your plumbing system. Just make sure that we look at the key components, and as we're doing that, I'll ask you some more questions there. If I should notice something that needs your attention, is it okay if I point it out to you? Okay? Once we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and put together some options. We'll go over those options together, and I'll get your approval on exactly how you want me to proceed. All right? And we'll go ahead and get that work done today. That sound all right? Okay. Just before we do, Billy's just playing right along. Thank you. Appreciate that, man. And just before we do, I just want to let you know that it's always my intention to deliver 5-star service from the customers throughout the call. So right from now to the very last thing that happens, that's my expectation. That's my intent. If you're not feeling like that's happening, feel free to just tell me at any point. All right, very good. Show me the garbage disposal. That's it. How does that change the interaction with your customer?
Well, I like the 5-star option. It lets you ask them for, you know,
Yeah.
get it right then. I mean,
Right.
I'm sure they appreciate giving their input.
And if you verbalize it at the front door, are you more or less likely to actually deliver it if you're verbalizing it? Right, right. This is the trick question. Of course, you're going to be more likely to have that awareness to 5-star service because you said it now. Now they're looking for it, and now you're going to be delivering it more often than you have in the past. Using the piece of paper holds you, the pictures hold you accountable to that. So use the piece of paper. We're going to practice it like this, yes.
I like that 5-star service thing too, because, you know, sometimes you upset someone in their house, and next thing you know, the office calling you, telling you about what that person's complaining about. You tell them that your goal is to be 5-star.
Yeah.
They're gonna put you in the office, and never gonna know about maybe that just one little sentence that they misunderstood, or, you know, something that happened.
Right. Right. It's my goal to deliver 5-star service, and if at any point you're feeling like that's not happening, please feel free to point that out to me. Right? Something along that line. You can flip the page if you like, and you can actually read the language of it on page 53, which is very close to what I use. It's just like version 53. Go ahead and scan that sample again. And don't worry about writing your own, just skip that for now. In a moment, we're going to get to practicing this. Just before we do, I want to unpack the rest of the Greek step. So what I'd like you to do is, for this moment, I want us to get our eyes on a full copy of the curbside evaluation form. And those are at the back of your book. So if you go again where you found your stickers, one page back. Until everybody's got their eyes on page 183. Page 183. Now, let's just notice that this is the entire call. We're going to focus our attention on the greet step. So take a moment and just scan through that greet step, and then we'll jump into this. see that's really simple. Once you've had a chance to review that, we're gonna jump back into our Greek step. And page 54, get everyone's eyes back there. So there's a reason why we're flipping around in the book a little bit, and I'll show you that reason in just a moment. Back to page 54. So this is an isolated view of just the Greek step. And if you notice, we're missing the create 5-star expectation. That's been cut off in the print of the book. So just go ahead and write that in there, create 5-star expectation. And that's right at the bottom of expectations. So that's just a printing error. That's the only reason it doesn't appear in the book here. And that's why I wanted us to see the full version first, and then fill that in. And once you've done that, you're welcome to scan pages 55 and 56. We're going to get in practice here in just a few moments. Scan page 55 and 56.